Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, friends, I want to introduce myself. My name is Tegita Manirum. I'm from Cikles. Okay, in here I want to uh, tell you about my comment about flood uh, and flood. This flood because causes for illegal logging and another and flood also causes for human activities and this and these countries inshallah never 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 to um, any flood because in here nothing illegal logging to forest and another and one and flood causes filling of trees because trees place to save water. If save water nothing can be nothing to save water and can be uh, flow over of water and can be to flood once. Okay, that is my comment about flood and illegal logging in my countries. And if in here in the world, uh, I I want to nothing flood and illegal logging others. It's okay. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Guys,